Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law, so please subscribe to our channel. You know, it's very, very interesting to see the different dynamic between the kind of people you have getting divorced and the case itself. For example, if you have two people who both work on the line for Chrysler, husband and wife met because they met at work and they got married, they had kids, they get divorced. Their approach to it may be different, for example, than if you have two physicians getting divorced. The priority of things, the things that they may think are important, will not necessarily be the same as what other people think are important, and it's very much dependent upon the professions. You see different people from different professions handling things differently. For example, a very popular thing that I see in divorces has to do with custody. And you've all heard about it. You've seen television shows about it, you know. People fighting for custody of the children. It's all the drama that every court case has is usually about the kids. What's very interesting is I see that drama, but I see it less among lawyers. When lawyers are getting divorced, I tend to see less of a fighting, I want the kids, no, I want the kids. I tend to see more of a joint situation where the parties are saying, well, wait a minute. I don't want the kids 100%. I want to share the responsibility of the kids with you. It's very interesting because lawyers, especially people who may be involved in family law, know the tremendous responsibility involved and the time drain there is on their lives if they're taking 100% responsibility of the kids. So whereas people who aren't involved in this might fight over the kids just to spite each other, lawyers aren't about, I want the kids, no, I want the kids. They're more about, no, wait, you take the kids. And it's very interesting to see how this works out. So we do tend to see in certain cases a division of responsibilities as it relates to children that is very specific to what parties are doing for a living. If you have, for example, physicians who have very, very demanding schedules that work bizarre, crazy hours, the likelihood that let's say a physician that has to be on call a certain amount of days, the likelihood that they're going to say, oh, I want that infant, is less than a person who, for example, works a shift and they're home from, 3 in the afternoon all night, every single night. So there is a very practical reality that goes into how people tend to fight as it relates to the children. And it's very, like I said, it's very fact specific, it's very profession specific. Now, if you have any questions about that, reach out, and of course, we'll be glad to discuss your situation and help you out.